Welcome to a glimpse of our energy future. Spanning acres of open countryside, modern solar farms like this one represent a quiet revolution in how we power our lives. From high above, the rows of photovoltaic panels stretch out like a geometric quilt, soaking up the quiet power of the sun. There is a peaceful rhythm here, no smoke, no noise, just a steady conversion of natural light into clean electricity for thousands of homes. As we glide closer down the rows, you can appreciate the sheer scale of the engineering. Each panel is meticulously angled to track the sun's journey across the sky, capturing maximum efficiency throughout the day. What makes these installations so remarkable is how they coexist with the surrounding landscape. Beneath and around these panels, local flora and wildlife continue to thrive, proving that technology and nature can share the same horizon in perfect balance. Every single ray of sunlight hitting these glass surfaces is instantly put to work. It's an invisible, silent process happening thousands of times every second, transforming daylight into a reliable, renewable resource. By harnessing the power of clean solar energy, we are actively reducing carbon emissions, lowering our dependence on fossil fuels, and taking a meaningful step toward a sustainable tomorrow. Innovations like this remind us that change is happening all around us, quietly, efficiently, and right in our local communities. Thank you for taking this aerial tour of the Sittingbourne Area Solar Farm with me. If you enjoyed seeing our local landscape from a brand new perspective, make sure to like and subscribe for more historical walks and modern tech showcases. Until next time, take care.